Do you also struggle with getting color to your stamp impressions? Welcome to the club. So I thought I want to show you a little trick how you can color your stamp impressions in just a few seconds. And believe it or not, I've used only 2 colors plus the ink for stamping the bird itself for these little guys here. So what I did was, I took my birds, obviously, and then some matte printable photo paper instead of watercolor paper. And that is also already the trick behind it. Just place that in your stamping platform. And then I used some oxide sprays, in this case cracked pistachio and forest moss. Then I just randomly go over the birds here. So let's then take some water and throw that on here. That helps to get this watercolor effect on the one hand, and on the other hand it obviously activates the oxide spray. And then just stamp and leave it for a little longer than you would do it on regular watercolor paper here on the photo paper, so that the medium has the chance to react with the paper. And then I like to take a dry paper towel and press into these puddles, because that reveals the craziest colors. And that's because of the photo paper. Make sure to take a dry spot every time you press on here to make sure that you don't smear the spray. If you think this is too much oxidation here, take some water and take the oxidation off. Magic! Yay! Then dry this with your heat tool. And then use the ink you want to stamp the birds with. In this case, I've used ground espresso archival ink. And there you go. And then you can just cut them out and include them in your project.